Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to active or enable ruler and grid to a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a PDF file and select this view option top left side view and here you will find this show or hide option. Put your mouse cursor here and this ruler and grid option. Active here instrument as a grid option. Follow the space. Yes, view and select your ruler. This ruler is activated. Save. And again, here you can deactivate ruler and this green. So in this you can active, deactivate, and show or hide ruler and grid to PDF file. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.